Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. I wanted to share with you my winnings from Tammy's Creative Cards and Crafts and something that I ordered from her. And check out this super adorable bag. I just love it. It's so cute. Anyway, let's take a look in here. All right, so here is what I won, and it's this super adorable perfect print stack packs, and it's all for the cactuses or cactuses. And look how adorable they are. I just love the colors on it. It's so bright. I think it's super adorable. You can see all the patterns there on the bottom, and that's 6 by 6. That's that. And then these here, these are the puffy metallic type. It says that it's foil. Pretty colors too. I love the colors. And if you guys don't know Tammy, I'm sure you all do. I'll put her link down below. You'll absolutely adore her. And she does, you know, quite a bit of giveaways in that. And she's very super creative. And I just love and adore her. And I'm sure you will as well. So that is the clear stamps with the cactuses. Cacti. Oh, God. It's like going back to school again. And then these roller gel pens. I love using gel pens, so those are perfect. Love gel pens. So that's what I won from Tammy. And the other piece is I ordered, if you do follow her, you'll know that she was doing a Christmas shadow box. And when she showed her creation, I thought it was absolutely stunning. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. And she put all the pieces in here. And so now I just have to assemble it and get it together. So that will probably be my focus this week. She has a tutorial on it, and she sent out everybody's packages over the last couple weeks. So I'm super excited to give this a try. So there it is, guys. That is the finished product. Sorry for the shakiness. I'm doing this freehand. But that is the finished product. I absolutely love it. Turned out amazing. And thanks again, Tammy, for the amazing tutorial and doing all the supplies up and everything. I absolutely love this project, and I can't wait to do some future ones. All right, guys. Check out Tammy's channel. I'll put it in the description box below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.